Hello everyone. Now in this session we will know about the next function that one is comes under the public member function inherited from the iStream. In the previous lecture we already know about the gcount, get and the ignore. Now we will know about the pick function and the read. Go with the pick function. What exact the use of a pick function? Pick next character, return the next character in the input sequence. We'll go with the practical programming example. That one is how exact it picked and what exact the use of that. Save. Now when we run it, it's simply the asking for the particular input. That one is I just to put the one word and it identifies that the given input is the word. Then how exact it find out? that one is a cout, please enter the number or the word. Then cout flush, ensure output is returned. Now the cin with this code of line, when at the time of giving the input, it just to neglect the initial spaces, right? That is the use of this. If I just to run the code and then space, only a space, right? D, you enter the word. If we put the space with a digit, it's also saying that the once again it's run space 5G. It's because of it, this line it neglect the space. If we commit this and we give the input as a number, and before the number we just to put the space 6, enter, it says that it's a word because of the space. That's why we need to remove the initial space when we give the input. Now the next, that one is just in pick, which one is actual the copy the input to the stream buffer. Copy the input to the stream buffer. This is the stream buffer. If we put the A, B, C, right? Now the simply the this cin pick is actual the copy the A into the A variable, A into the C variable, that is a integer variable, right? And the pointer is point to the buffer of the initial. When we run the cin.pick, it copy that particular character into the assigned variable, that is the C. It copy cin.pick, copy the A, and it copy the whole the input in a buffer, in a input buffer, right? Now it's verify with the C is the end of file, no, right? It's a false, that's why it's go with the if. Now the next, that one is the digit. If we put is a digit, no, then it goes the else. Then string str, and when we get the input with the cin with the str, this str copy this string into the particular str, into the str from the buffer, from the buffer. It's str contains now the abc, and when we print the str, it prints abc, right? You entered the word, whatever the word is, and in before that, if the given input, consider here is 1, we copy the 1 into the C, then this condition is true. Is the digit? Yes, this one is digit is a function which one is verifies the given character contains 0 to 9 value. If it is a 0 to 9 value, it's a true, then it copy the this 1 BC into the n, and then it prints a n. Simple. Now that one is the use of a pick function. Now we just do a 1 BC. It's prints, you enter the number 1, right? That one is simply the value. If we gives the input to the ABC, it prints, you enter this word, that one is ABC, right? That one is simply the use of a cin pick with a stream buffer.